guys, it's me Satwati and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you like my today's makeup look, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So today I have created this whole look with the help of Suga Cosmetics product except my base like my concealer, foundation, eyelashes and brows. If you want to know how do I create this pretty and elegant makeover, please watch the full video. So guys, let's begin. This beautiful yellow bag came with the Suga Cosmetics products. I bought this all from the original site of Suga Cosmetics. So you can go there and check for these stuffs. You can buy it from there. So this one is the moisturizer with some illuminating features. It gives you a glowing effect. If you want, you can buy the combo or you can buy the product separately. That's up to you. So first I'm just taking the generous amount of this product and applying it on my face, and after that just rub it on with my hand on all over my face. You can see the glow, the instant glow on my face. I'm glowing, guys. This is so I just love this product. This is amazing. Next, I just done my base makeover and my eyebrows. Next, I'm taking this palette. This is 3-in-1 contouring palette. This is also from Suga Cosmetics. This is shade number 2. So I'm taking the bronzer with a angle brush and applying it on my cheeks to contour my face. If you want to see how to contour a video on easy contouring, please guys check my profile, you will get the video. So after contouring my face, I'm just contour my nose also. So it's done. Now I just bake my face with some translucent powder and brush up the excess powder from my face. Yeah, it's done. You can see how my contour is look like. It's beautiful. Now I'm taking the blush from the same palette and applying it on my cheeks with a fluffy brush. So guys, just smile whenever you are applying your blush because it is important. So this is how I like to apply my blush. I just love this process. Just keep smiling, guys. So your blush is done. Next, I'm just taking the highlighter from the same palette again. Look at the highlighter. It's amazing. I just love this highlighter. You have to highlight your peak point of your face, like your nose, brow bones, your forehead, your cheeks and chin. Just you have to do like I'm doing. Just the you have to highlight your peak points of your face. Yeah, it's done. So after highlighter, you can see the difference before highlighter and after highlighter. It creates a huge difference, guys. So highlighter is important and I'm just in love with this Suga Cosmetics highlighter. If you want, you can buy the highlighter, bronzer or blush separately, but I just bought it in a palette. Don't forget to highlight your cupid bone. So guys, you can see the highlighter is really amazing. Next, I'm taking Suga Cosmetics Kajal. So guys, I will give the name of all products that I'm using in this video in the description box. So guys, don't forget to check it after watching this video. So you will get the name of all products there. I am just applying the kajal randomly. I'm just applying the kajal on my lash line. It's not a very thick line or not a very thin. It's a medium kind of line. You can watch. Yeah, this is the thickness. Just applying it randomly. You don't have to very cautious about it because later I'm gonna blend it. After that, I'm just taking a thick angle brush and smash the kajal. Just blend it, but don't blend all over your lid. You just have to blend the line. You just have to do in the same way that I did. So after it, you just have to apply a thin liner. I'm just using also Suga Cosmetics eyeliner, then mascara, which is also from Suga Cosmetics. I just enhance the inner corner of my eyes with this waterproof eyeliner. This is one of my favorite eyeliner. Suga Cosmetics eyeliner are just love. They're best. I just love them. This is the first time that I'm using Suga Cosmetics mascara and I'm pretty much impressed with this. I'm just applying the mascara on my upper lashes as well as my lower lashes. So after using mascara, I'm going to use false lashes. I bought this from Amazon. If you want to know about these lashes, please comment and I will give you the link if you want to buy those lashes. I'm just applying the same kajal on my waterline also to enhance my eyes. So my makeover is almost done. You can see the look. I'm just glowing and I just love this look. This makeover is very simple and easy, but it gives you a really pretty effect. Just see my eyes. Look so beautiful, guys. I just wanna tell one thing. If you create this look, please don't forget to tag me on social media. I would love to see that. So guys, you are my inspiration, my love and my everything. Only because of you I'm here. So guys, don't forget to follow me and tag me your photos. Because today I'm keeping my eyes very simple and elegant, so I choose a bold, dark and gorgeous and bright color for my lips. So this is also from Suga Cosmetics mini collection. The shade name is Wine and Shine. This is a kind of dark pink shade. You can see guys the pigmentation. The lipstick's pigmentation is really good. It gives a good pigmentation in one stroke and so bright and waterproof and smudge proof. So guys, this is one of my favorite lipstick now these days. Oh my god, the color is so beautiful. I just love this color. This is so much gorgeous. Such a beautiful color, perfect for any kind of skin tone. You can wear it, be confident yourself. You can buy this color from Nika or also from the Suga Cosmetics original site. I will give the link and name on the description box, so don't forget to check guys after watching this video. And thank you so much for watching this video guys. I just needed this kind of support and love from you. Thank you so much everyone. Stay home, stay safe. See you soon on the next video. Guys, I love you all. Bye bye and don't forget to follow me on social media.